And of course, since you are learning Chinese language, it is also very relational for you to learn their names. So, you might be asking, why do I need to learn the Chinese names of the fruits? Well, it will help you when you're going to look for those fruits, and also for you to be able to just search for it. You can get it online. You can probably easier for you to communicate and avoid that miscommunication with your buying, your shopping journey, and that's the last thing that we want to experience. So if this is what you're looking for, stay with me at the end of the video, because I will show you on the names of these popular fruits, and not only the popular fruits that may be where you are, but also this is going to be in addition. At the end of the video, there will be popular fruits in China that I could show you that probably it's not to where you are right now. So, okay, so let's start with, I would probably say, in the healthy space. These are also one of the favorite healthy fruits that we can go through. So for me, this is one of my favorite. It has high potassium. This is what we call 香蕉, 香蕉, 香蕉. Banana, banana, banana. This is a fruit that you can mix with a lot of healthy stuff. Right, I hope banana was one of your favorite fruit as well. Well, the next one would be 苹果, 苹果, 苹果 means apple. Apple. Do you like apple? If you do, let me know in your comments below. What are your favorite fruits? 梨, 梨, 梨. Can you guess what it is? It is pear. 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 This is one of the healthy fruits as well that really, some cases they are also sweet and really delicious. 几异果, 几异果, 几异果 means kiwi. 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 I hope this is one of your favorite fruits. 西瓜, 西瓜, 西瓜 means watermelon. Watermelon. Who doesn't like watermelon? 西瓜, 西瓜. So the next one is one of my favorites too. I love this fruit. This fruit is 哈密瓜. 哈密瓜. 哈密瓜 means rock melon, or the melon, which is the orange color inside. Let's go with berries. I love the berries family. So the next one would be 蓝莓. 蓝莓. 蓝莓 means blueberry. Blueberry. I'm not sure if you have already watched our other videos about colors, but if you know, blue means 蓝色. 蓝色. 蓝色 means blue color. 莓 is the berry, which is, if you combine both, 蓝莓, 蓝莓 lan mei, which is blue. Cao mei, cao mei, cao mei. This is strawberries, and strawberries usually comes in the winter season, still in the berry family. And the next is hei mei, hei mei, hei mei, which means blackberry, blackberry. This is the same goes as blueberry. So we're actually using the color. If you remember what is black,黑色, 黑色, 黑色, black. So hey, black, mei, berry. So if you combine both, then it is blackberry. So far, how are the names of the fruits? Do you find it easy? Do you find it difficult? How was it? Let me know in the comments. The next one is xi mei, xi mei, xi mei means prunes, prunes. Xi mei, prunes, prunes. Maybe you might like this fruit. 葡萄, 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 葡萄 means grapes, grapes. Do you like grapes? It's a very tropical fruit, and this fruit is very well found in hot places. It's called 芒果, 芒果, 芒果 means mangoes, mangoes. Do you like mangoes? I love mangoes once in a while. Pretty good when you want to drink that juice in the 橙子, 橙子. Do you know what it is? Our OJs. Or the fruit itself is orange, orange, orange. The next one is also one of the tropical fruit. 菠萝, 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 which is pineapple. A little bit of Hawaiian fruit, pineapple. So, tell me, what is your favorite fruit? Is your favorite fruits here? Is it being introduced? Let me know your comments below if it is. But if it's not, let me know your comments below. What is your favorite fruit that is not found here? I'm curious to know. And then we will also take your comments and we will either make another video and attend to your comments into this video. So don't forget